However, today, the forecast is marginally better. The wind should average about 240 12 knots, so on average, that means about 6 to 8 knots across the runway. So welcome capabilities of everything that is currently flagged on display. Now, these winds will change. If there are showers that are coming through, then the wind speed will pick up. However, as it stands, it looks like a full program.
And that's good news because also, apart from the Royal Jordanian Falcon and a few other things, one of the aircraft we missed yesterday from the schedule was the Messerschmitt Me-262. Interesting situation with that aircraft because although it's a nose wheel undercarriage, it doesn't have a steerable nose wheel.
No.
And therefore, it would have been an interesting situation for the pilots on landing.
Yeah, so the only way to keep the aircraft straight would have been by using rudder, but aerodynamically that reduces as the aircraft slows down on the runway. And the only alternative then is by differential braking. Heavy braking, using brakes to keep the aircraft straight, so braking using the right or left wheel, main wheel, in order to keep the aircraft straight. With an aircraft so precious as this, we can't afford to damage something that is in.
Indeed. So, at the moment, we're expecting to see the 262 on today's programme, along with the Royal Jordanian Falcons, and also, as we see in Swiss Air Force Citation, heading into the air.